Looking to earn extra income in addition to your 9-to-5 paycheck? A side hustle might be exactly what you need. Side hustles are a great way to turn your spare time into spare cash, with many side hustlers earning $1,000 or more every month. But before you flip the switch on your side hustle, you've got to have your light bulb moment. So, we're going to shine a light on the best side hustle ideas. When picking a side hustle, first think about what you're good at and what you're passionate about. Side hustles don't have to start out as a hobby, but it doesn't hurt if it's something you enjoy or feel comfortable doing. Then consider how much time you've got to spare. Side hustles can be fun, but they're also a lot of work. What can you see yourself doing at the end of a long day? And what are you willing to give up some of your free time for? Finally, look at some of the most popular and successful side hustle ideas. Here are a few to get you inspired. Content creation. From blogging to hosting a YouTube channel or a podcast, making content offers you opportunities to flex your creativity and earn money through sponsorships, affiliates, and advertising. Freelancing and consulting. Turn your skill set into a moneymaker by offering your services in writing, graphic design, photography, marketing, and more. E-commerce. Love browsing thrift stores and yard sales for hidden treasures? Start a side hustle reselling these items on online marketplaces. If that's not your thing, you can still get into the retail biz by becoming a third-party seller on sites like Amazon. Serve your community. Offer landscape services, dog walking and pet sitting, childcare, or house cleaning to those in your neighborhood and beyond. Know a lot about a particular subject or sport? Become a tutor or coach. Just remember, whatever you pick, you'll need to dedicate time, energy, and passion to your side hustle if you want to see it succeed. And maybe someday, your side gig will turn into your full-time career. Feeling inspired? Take the next steps towards starting your side hustle with our easy-to-follow checklist. Then, when you're ready, take advantage of Incfile's 0+ state fee LLC, so your side hustle will be officially ready for business.